Okay, so I just woke up and I have to show you this little buddy that woke me up or greeted me awake. There he is. He's so huge. Let's see if we can get a comparison. Yup. He's about the size of my contacts case. This will be fun. Alright. Did you hear that? I'm trying to figure out where this noise is coming from. And it's so hard because, like, I think I found it, and then it'll beep, and it'll sound like it's behind me. So, I'm gonna see if I can find it again. Where is it in here? I thought it was these smoke detectors that was over in a box over there, but it wasn't. Beep. Beep again. I dare ya. Oh, dang it. Where was that? Oh, you're kidding me. What the heck? Okay, I may have just hit the mother load. I think it's this smoke detector. And if it is, I'm gonna be so happy. Yes! Ha ha ha! I called it. Finally. It's got a flashing low battery light. Alright, well, that was fun. Hey everybody, so I haven't really been vlogging much today because today's a boring day and I haven't really had much to do since it was raining. All I did was clean the house and play video games. And so I'm like crazy bored right now and walking in circles in the kitchen. But yeah, now I'm on my way into town, see if I can find some internet, see if YouTube will download my video correctly, because my vlog that I did yesterday is not up yet, but I guess you wouldn't know that. Well, I don't know how this works. Anyway, the day that I'm recording this, the day before's vlog is not up yet. So the reason is that it would only upload 1 minute and 49 seconds of the video, so I need to figure out what's going on there and fix that. So, onward. See you later.